I got this new ginger drink from Starbucks.
It's spicy.
Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be unboxing this season's Fabfitfun box. That is right, you guys. I got this in the mail a couple days ago and I want to unbox it with you here. Fabfitfun, this is not sponsored, but Fabfitfun is a seasonal subscription box, so you get it winter, spring, summer, fall. Yeah, yes, so you do get this box every season. So this is the summer box. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this here today. And I'm super duper excited because it's very large and in charge. So yeah, let's do that. And if you're new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome makeup family. And with that being said, let's jump on in here. I have already cut the seal, but I haven't seen anything yet. I haven't opened anything up, so woo! Okay, so right here we always have a little pamphlet on top, and this one is just like a little insert and it shows everything that you could have gotten in this box. I've got a... Woo! Okay, I see some things. Alright, here's like a sneak peek for you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull stuff out here. I'm just gonna go with this first. Haha! This is the... Oh, this is cool. This is called Silked. It is a satin pillow sleeve. Look at this. It looks really cool on the back too. I wonder what color it is. What color is it? Oh, it's like a silvery kind of color. Oh, this is so soft. Oh my goodness. This is super nice. This is very, very soft. It won't go with my bedding right now because since this is like gray, but I know my mom will definitely be able to use this. This is super nice. Yes, ma'am. Satin pillow sleeve. Next up we have this right here. This is foot cream, which hey, it's great. We all like to have nice supple feet here. Okay, so this is by Tarocco. This is Sicilian blood orange. That sounds amazing, but this is just foot cream right here. And then I'm assuming you could also use it like on your hands and stuff too. It doesn't have to just be for your feet. Oh. Well, it came right on out. Oh yeah, it's just like lotion. It feels really, really nice. But maybe there's some kind of like properties in here that actually makes it, you know, more suited for your feet. I have no idea. Oh wow. I can actually smell that. I don't have the best nose. Wow, I can actually smell that. That smells good. It smells like lotion. I don't know what blood orange smells like, but it does smell pretty citrusy and it smells like lotion. So, that's really cool. Next up we have this right here. This is, it's Michael Kors. Look at that. That's Michael Kors. What is it? Is it like a little bag, like a little wallet or something? This looks super nice. I love Michael Kors. I just don't know what it is. Oh, it is. It's like a little wallet. Oh my goodness. That is adorable. I love that. So you can put like your driver's license and any cards you have here. Then you could put really anything on this side. That is so nice. I'm super in love with this. I will definitely be using this. And if I don't use it, my mom will use it because we both love Michael Kors. Like, she definitely needs a new kind of wallet because hers is like destroyed. So I may actually give this to her. So cute. Yes. Next up we have this right here. Oh, this is from Winky Lux. How cute. This looks like it's a brow thing. It's a universal brow pencil. Oh, okay. Universal is kind of a scary word here. So this is what the pencil looks like, and it is a pretty dark brown shade. If you can see that, and it just looks like a regular brow pencil. It looks pretty great. I don't know about this. I'll definitely try it. I'll see how it works and I'll see if it works okay. It has a little spoolie on this side. The word universal is kind of scary because I feel like, you know, not everyone has the same brow color. I don't know, but I'll try it out and see what I think. Next, oh, there's something down at the bottom here. What's all these? These are, it's been a little pouch here. Oh, it's by Tom's? Tom's! What is it? Oh my god, there are sunglasses! Oh my, oh yes.
Oh my goodness!
It's got got a bunch of like plastic on them. So hold on one second, let me take the plastic off. Look at these. These are like so cool. Are these like Toms, like the shoes Toms? Is it the same thing? These are like cat eye. Oh yes. Oh, I actually really like these a lot. I know that I'm kind of like making it a little bit too dramatic, but I genuinely do love these. I love cat eye shades. Oh my goodness, this is great. Favorite thing so far. I love this. I'm going to wear these so much. I look like a badass. Like, excuse me? What'd you say to me? That's what I thought. Okay, and then next up we've got this, right? Oh, this is like a little vase. Or a vase, excuse me. Look at this. This is so cute. You can put anything in here. You can put like flowers or like fake flowers or, oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. I need some like little baby like fake flowers to put this. This is gonna go directly on my entertainment system. Like hands down, that's where it's gonna live. I'm gonna get some like fake plants or something to put in there. It's gonna look so nice. I love that. That is so cute. Last thing it looks like, and here we've got this big old boy. What is this? Yeah, that's the last thing it looks like. We've got this. Oh my god. This is diffuser. Oh, it's from Pottery Barn. I love Pottery Barn. Oh, it's bergamot, vetiver, patchouli, and geranium. I don't know. Patchouli. I love patchouli. How long is... Oh, wow. This is a big diffuser. Oh, my goodness. Does it have like a... What else is in here? I'm in love. This is the best. Look at this. And then this goes... You pour this inside of here. And then you have your little sticks and they go... This is also going directly on my entertainment system because it looks so modern and so pretty and I love this. Everything in here was just so nice. The only thing that I'm kind of iffy about is like this, but everything else is really nice. Yes. So now we're gonna go through this little pamphlet here. Oh, and I'm gonna give you some full-size prices of everything that was in the box. Okay, so we've got the Pottery Barn ceramic diffuser. That's $59. Oh my gosh, the Michael Kors. Oh, it's a passport wallet. I had no idea. I just thought it was a wallet, but you can put your passport in there too. That's super cool. That's $78. Oh yeah, the Tom's Sydney sunglasses. They are $58. The vase, that vase that I got, that's $28. And then the satin pillowcase sleeve, that's $29.50. The Winky Lux universal eyebrow pencil, that is $16. That's everything. Yeah, that's everything here. So my box did total to $268.50. I say that is not bad at all for this box. I think you do end up paying like $70 for this, or maybe it's $50. It could be $50. But I am well happy with everything that I got in this box this month. I really, really love it, especially this. I love this, and those sunglasses. Those are my two favorite things. I cannot wait to, I'm literally gonna go pour this in this right now and put it on my entertainment system. But yeah, you guys, if you got this season's Fabfitfun, what did you get inside your box? Did you get the same stuff that I did, or did you get other stuff different than mine? Please let me know. I would love to know that in the comments. But yeah, that's going to be the end of the video here today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!